Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, June 15, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed higher on Friday, with the Dow Jones gaining approximately 0.7%, the S&P 500 rising approximately 0.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite adding approximately 0.3%. Falling oil prices, optimism around a potential U.S.-Iran agreement, and strong demand for AI-related stocks, including SpaceX's strong market debut, supported investor sentiment and helped Wall Street end the week on a positive note. Asian markets are trading mostly positive today, with the Nikkei gaining over 5%, while the Kospi gained over 4%, and Hang Seng also traded higher. Improved investor sentiment following Wall Street's gains, easing crude oil prices, and continued optimism around AI and technology stocks are supporting regional equities, although geopolitical tensions and uncertainty around U.S. interest rates continue to keep investors cautious. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,022, thereby indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading slightly lower, as markets assess easing concerns over immediate supply disruptions in the Middle East, although ongoing geopolitical tensions continue to provide underlying support and keep volatility elevated. Gold prices are trading firm with a positive bias, supported by safe haven demand amid geopolitical uncertainty and expectations of future interest rate cuts by major central banks. Reliance Industries announced that its digital arm, Geo Platforms, has entered the global top 20 in the latest WIPO Patent Cooperation Treaty rankings. The company has filed over 6,800 patents as of March 2026, with more than 1,000 patents granted worldwide, highlighting its growing focus on innovation and technology leadership. Vedanta's four demerged businesses, Vedanta Aluminium, Vedanta Oil and Gas, Vedanta Power, and Vedanta Iron and Steel, are set to make their stock market debut today. Among them, Vedanta Aluminium is being closely watched by investors as a key value driver due to its scale, operational efficiency, and long-term growth potential. Meesho has announced the acquisition of Kirana Club for 202 crore rupees through a three-stage transaction. The deal is expected to strengthen Meesho's presence in the Kirana and small retailer ecosystem, while expanding its reach across India's rapidly growing e-commerce market. Following the correction in crude oil, with Trump announcing an Iran peace deal, as well as strongly positive open seen in the Asian markets today, Nifty is expected gap up once again. Levels need to be adjusted upwards, with supports being at 23,840, followed by 23,700, while resistances will be at 24,000 followed by 24,130. Consolidation within a range with positive bias may be expected, with chances of upside being capped by mild profit booking. Geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, elevated crude oil prices, uncertainty around U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate decisions, persistent inflation concerns, higher global bond yields, and continued volatility in FII flows remain key risks for Indian markets, potentially impacting investor sentiment, the rupee, and corporate earnings expectations. Positive global market sentiment, easing crude oil prices, strong domestic institutional buying, healthy corporate earnings momentum, continued government spending on infrastructure and digital initiatives, growing investments in technology and manufacturing, and value unlocking from corporate actions such as demergers and acquisitions could support Indian equities and broader market sentiment. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 1,082 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 5,341 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on June 15, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.